So, my flight is in like 2 hours,
2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours. You sure we could get through this?
So this school here, I heard this school could beat the maths in 2 hours.
St. Joseph High School. So they're beating the maths in time?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, let's go see.
So I saw that you were at this school before. What do you think? They could beat the maths in 2 hours?
Definitely.
Definitely.
As we say in Trinidad, they're bad.
They're bad. There's only one way to find out. There's only one way to find out.
I don't see the questions there for them. Binary operators is going to be a test.
Wait, man. This is not Sir Kerwin and Sir Leon.
Yeah.
You settle down, guys. Sir Kerwin and Leon, I think they coming to see if we could beat the maths.
So, are you ready to be the maths?
Yes, sir.
Are we sure?
Yes, sir.
So we have our first guest with us today. What's your name?
Dominic,
Dominic?
Yeah.
Dominic, our first question. You beat the maths or the maths beat you?
Well, maths easy for me.
Maths easy for you?
Yeah, man.
So we can safely say it's beat the maths?
Yeah.
Right, let's put that to the test today. So we do some binary operation. So the question says, given that A asterisk B denotes 3A minus B, calculate the exact value of 2 asterisk 3. So the floor is yours.
So if A asterisk B equals 3A minus B, then 2 asterisk 3 would equal to 3. We replace the 2, the A value would be 2. So the 2 is the A value, and the 3 would be the B value. So it would be 3, 2, subtract B, which is 3. 3, 2 is 6 minus 3 equals 3.
Solid. So you think you beat the maths here or the maths beat you?
Nah, it's simple thing, man.
Simple things. Say you whip the maths.
Yeah, man.
All right. So put your hands together for Dominic. All right, Dominic. So because you just beat up the maths, I'd like to give you this water bottle on behalf of the Guy Learning Channel. Here, I want you to do this water bottle. Drink some water, stay hydrated, and continue beating the maths.
Yeah,
right?
man. Thanks.
So before I leave, I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to look at the camera and say, I just beat up the maths.
I beat up the maths.
All right, put your hands together for Dominic.
Yeah.
All right, guess number 2. So what's your name?
I'm Leon Daniels.
Leanne Daniels. You just beat the maths, so the maths does beat you.
I just beat the maths.
Just beat the maths. Yeah, beat the maths. All right, so on the board we have another binary operations questions. P star Q denotes P plus 2Q. So evaluate negative 5 star 3. The floor is yours, Leanne.
Okay. So P star Q, they tell us it's the same as saying P plus 2Q, right? And then they very kindly gave us the values for P and Q. The value for P is negative 5. The value for Q is 3. All you gotta do is plug it into the equation now. So since the equation is P plus 2Q, therefore you'd be saying minus 5 plus 2 times 3. Now when you get something like this, here's the easy way you could do it. Because this is a negative number and this is a positive, you could just switch the placements to make your life easy, right? So you could just move 2 times 3 over to this side and put minus 5 here. And then you finish the rest. 2 by 3, 6, minus 5, and that can give you 1. Simple.
Professionally done. So I might just add in some equal signs coming down the side here to make it look, extra special. Congratulations, Leanne.
Thank you.
You are beating the maths. So I heard Mr. Beatin said you're supposed to drink some water and continue beating the maths. But before you go, I want you to hang on to this and you're looking at the camera and say, we're beating up the maths.
We're beating up the maths.
So we have our next guest with us today. What's your name?
My name is Rashad.
Rashad.
Yeah.
Rashad, you look like a man that has beat the maths. You beat the maths or the maths beat you?
Well, see, I go both ways. I beat the maths and sometimes the maths beat me, but I beat the maths more than it does beat me.
Nice. I like to hear that. So your question says, is 5 asterisk n means m plus 7n. Determine the value of 5 asterisk in bracket 1 asterisk 3. The floor is yours.
Alright, so basically here we have two binary operation in one. So what we'll try to do and make it easy for us, we'll break it up into two. So first, we'll work this part and then this. So first, this is how I'll work it. I'll put it as 1 asterisk 3 equals m plus 7n. Then in the next line, I'll work it like this. I'll substitute this into that. So that will be 1 plus 7 multiplied by 3, which will equal to 1 plus 21, which is equal to 22. Then we'll bring this into here. So now we'll have 5 asterisk 22, which will equal to this, m plus 7n, and now we'll work it. 5 plus 7 bracket 22, which is equal to 5 plus 154, 7 times 22, 154, which will equal to 159.
The answer. Wow. So, on today we can safely say you beat up the maths bad.
Yeah, I beat it up.
Beat it up bad.
Small things.
Small things.
Yeah.
Alright, Rashad. So because you beat up the maths bad, I'll give you this water bottle so that you can drink some water and continue beating the maths on behalf of the guy on the channel. And I also want to give you this pencil casing so that you can put your pen and your pencil so that you can take it out and write down the maths and continue beating it.
Alright, good. Thank you very much.
But before you go, I do one thing for me. I look at the camera and say, I just beat up the maths.
I just beat up the maths. I'll always beat up the maths.
Alright, very confident, he said. Okay.